Cloudy9 here, and today I'm going to be making some slime. So I have this box right here with a ton of pieces of paper in it. So I'm going to pull a piece of paper. So I close my eyes, I grab a piece, I open it. I see what I get, and that's the ingredient I have to use. So let's shake this thing up. Okay, I'm going to close my eyes and peek a piece. Okay, I got it. Let's read it. Color change purple. Ooh, that sounds fun. So if you don't know what color changing glue is, so basically if you leave it out in the sun, like if it's sunny out or something, basically it'll change from purple to pink. Or just something warm, I think. Whoa. So let's add some. I'm not going to add too much because I don't want that much. A little squeeze. Okay. There we go. Now let's close it up. So that was our first ingredient. This is only going to get crazier and crazier. Let's shake it up. Don't worry, I am not looking. Okay, let's see what I got. I got Lubriderm. If you don't know what that is, it's like a type of lotion. So if you don't know what lotion does, it makes your slime soft. I'm only going to have 3 squirts because I feel like I'm going to get that again. And yeah, I'm not taking the thing out. I'm putting it back in. So, here's what it looks like so far. Just some purple and some white, some lotion. Okay, let's see what I got. Magic Liquid. Elmer's Magical Liquid. Hey, Dad, do you think this slime is going to look good? So basically, if you don't know what Elmer's Liquid does, it's like activator. Basically, it replaces baking soda and contact solution. So I'm only going to add a little bit because this stuff is super strong. You add too much, your slime's ruined. I don't want to ruin the slime. Because no one wants that. You just want to have a nice slime. I added enough for a cup, a little bit of glue because I feel like I'm going to get more glue than just this. If so, that'd be a really small slime. Okay, I'm going to close my eyes and pick. Purple glitter glue. Is this going to be purple themed? Ooh, do you know what I really want? Like a galaxy themed. And in the end, I get to pick one ingredient that I can use on it. Without this thing, in the end, I get to pick one ingredient. It could be something here, or it could be a beads or something. Sometimes people put foam beads or beads like this in their slime. Because I want a galaxy slime. I like stuff like that because, yeah. I want a Halloween slime because Halloween is my favorite holiday. Leave a like if you're being a witch for Halloween this year. That's what I'm being. Okay, let's close and shake it up. Close my eyes. So just so you know, I am not cheating. Blue glitter glue. This is perfect. Look at this. You know, I'm going to use the other one because this one's almost empty and I don't want to use the other one up. Okay. No. It almost rolled off the table. Yeah. Ew. Wait, I need to... It's dangling and I don't know what to do. There we go.
Use your spatula.
Oh, yeah, I didn't think of that.
Dude,
I dropped it.
you better not get any glue on the carpet.
I won't.
Watch yourself getting up. You're going to hit the corner of the table.
Okay.
I know you. You're not hurt yourself.
Oh. I'm all good. Woo. That was hard. I had a lot of trouble getting up. Like a lot. But don't worry. I'm good now. Close it up and shaky, shaky, shaky. Let's see what I got. Water. Ooh. So I have my water bottle right here. I'm gonna just put a little smidge. First, I'm thirsty. Just a little bit of water. I've added water to slime before. I can't remember what it did. I think it just made it like a bit stretchy or something. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure what water does to your slime. Close my eyes. Pick. See what I got. Glow in the dark blue. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So glow in the dark blue. I'm gonna add a lot of this. Not too much, but a lot. Because I like colorful and glowy slimes. Comment down below if you've ever played with glow in the dark slime. Yeah, subscribe if you played with glow in the dark slime. Because I love glow in the dark slime. Mix it up. Right, let's see what I get. Purple glitter glue. See, I'm not just like taking them out, I'm putting them back in. I think I'm gonna do 2 more and then my slime is ready to mix. I really hope I get shaving cream. Cross my fingers. I love shaving cream. It makes your slime so soft and fluffy. I'm almost out of purple glue, so I'm not gonna add that much. Drop it. There we go. Just like I told you, not a lot, just a little bit. So, 2 more cards to go. I swear, if I get more glue. Magic liquid! I think I'm only gonna add like a little bit because I already have a ton of this. That might have been way too much. Oh my gosh. So it does look like there's a lot more liquid than there actually is. So I put water and magical liquid in there. That's why. Please. More Lubriderm. If you can't remember what it is, it's lotion. I love adding lotion to myself. But I really wish I got shaving cream. Meh. Dad, I remember I said I could add 1 ingredient that I wanted. And I choose shaving cream at the end. Okay, I'm just gonna a little bit more. Okay, I don't do a lot of shaving cream anymore because I found out that's what's making my slimes pearly white. So let's start mixing. Ooh, there's a variety of color. It's already turning into slime, kind of. But I'm not going to use my hands yet. Ew. I don't like to use my hands till it's like definitely slime. I hope I didn't overactivate it or underactivate it. I don't really like sticky slimes that much. Oh, I think this is going to be like a purple slime. Leave a like if you think this color is going to be purple. And turn the post notifications if you think this slime is going to be blue. I know what color it is, but I'm not telling you. Still have to guess. And don't fast forward to see. Oops, I might show you the color. And to turn on the notifications, you need to subscribe. Go peeking. I don't know how much longer this is gonna take, but I think I might need more activator. Just gonna add a little bit. See, just a little bit of activator. Just to make sure it activates. I'm allowed to add activator and a little bit of glue if I need to because I overactivated or underactivated it. Actually, not if I overactivated, only if I underactivated it. Because I don't want straight up glue. No peeking. I'm going to give you a little peek. I'm going to give you a small peek. That's all you get. Now you got to wait till it's done. Ooh, it's looking pretty. Ooh. I think there's still shaving cream on the sides. So, this slime should be done pretty soon. Make sure to leave a like on the video that says no. If it gets 5 likes, my dad's going to say yes to me for 24 hours. Right, Dad? Right? He means right. So make sure to like that video. And that video is going to be my favorite video. Okay, you guessed it. It's purple. If you didn't know, purple is my favorite color. Literally my favorite color. Get all this glue. Ew. This is a big-ish slime, but it's turning into slime. Leave a like if you want me to show you the slime reveal. Bye. I still will anyways. Bye.